na beda yi
eni
sumina so na se wa be ye running mate abedi president now de wo ko ni yesi o na nanom bi ye press conference se we de o masoma DC ache enti nko yin asante ni meden ni running mate almost say NDC is not Asante Man Council na ni nyina reflective furthermore oko voter regional Asante phone ho one will say voter regional parliamentary candidate be Asante Nida or even constituency chairman Northern regional Asante phone ho what to say I mean Asante ni bi anahafu ni baby eye
NDC
they won't allow you bet bra Asante memu hanom ye gi obia almost parliamentary candidate by 47 no go and check the settlers are even more than the indigenous na muye we na se mu lusu a na musa na mo kire say Asante form NDC mu na mutan Asante
amsa for the need na ageni mboaten jataba ana dodo na efre no anopai wano ene ye guest a ye no edi enkomo fada bi e wa say fada enkomo na de
papa
jataba
ene wache
enkomo na de
wache say enye nyina na hypocrites enye nyina na nyatwam
Baba before fada bi beto aso no pese video bi basisi e bo se me video bi ama osisi ye ye wurahafo ye se ye tiesim jataba nya kire ne stance awie a kire se ntia ama ode ne ho abedom MPP back na 2024 elections no United Front Party for no uncontested na omunya do omochi tai be tai Dr. Haji Mahmoud Bawumia achi na watimi akwa president na indeed omunim se adwuma pa na na do dan kwagufu ado aye e dia magana no say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to aso abema Ghana akonenim asensenia esi 2008 na nunti ana maja tabane ne dom nyina omko neck meeting no nyina ajatum se omde support e de ma Dr. Haji Mahmoud Bawumia na ma pedida mama e wahafo a obontoa bibia si wahafo ba bose me video bia ma osisi yimame na me ntro eye signal fenko eye offense north womo omu bubu freche ebe boss no omunyai wama omotete freche ebe boss no omunyai na dia no pen me se dan hiti senti no mom ya fa no to a me ka ne sei no mutumufu my locks watch nyame ado me kwa yi fada bi den esi hafu
onia mamenza na asibie
boss onya ya panu apia to man
menza na asibie na menka se ahafu ye nipa edo asundwe na wo hwe history NDC led by John Dramani Mahama and the two pillars are omwo ahafo Yera Collins Zelda ni Yera Kopoko se ye to aba na moja nhwie mu sika ye ntwa omo ho ntom
obi atwe sika bi
I say in February me be kan ha say
ye pick up bi ho asem
bi Yera Collins Zelda from oni fie ama misunderstanding cause oni fie ho mehame etuo toy ama okra hwere ne nkwa abanti e friend soldier ewui e was ade ni onwe sa atutrafo na Colinzelda from on fear obi wuye no sa atutrafo na ye twire di okukom beto 290 times no
yes
this is a clear signal say NDC leadership no and no mo ba no mo to Colinzelda pick up mo Toyota Tundra GT 8080 8080/20 and on the buy a white
yes I can police for chain
oh what matter man come answer so I'm come answer
I don't jai can
for police for number and then and
oma jai can
and na go so man hin be man akwaba
ade otu kwan
and for police for number
go so man hin tu kwan
be man akwaba wa man yosem mu
otu kwan
won tu kwan but say wa ba politics in be man akwaba. The point I want to make this say NDC we violence free more omo nothing in a half. Right? John Dramani Mahama buy actually you. And omo causes and cloud free romso any enkasem omo clashes na ba koda for one ya want a second video no money show
but boss my video no I'm
telling you it happened yesterday enra
obi sikan
masa me say more reporters were have mo ko atrensia a health center no mo ko hwesa abrante na house here
metro man for na odon picture send me.
The point is that and remember I go so man na metro man na o kan mo ko tutu no me be chew de ntia afonyo ahemfo mo de o mo ho je saa atutura asem ni mu no go so man here number 1 Mom show
for that evidence was as
Mom showing you the evidence. Mom pictures. Mom show. Mama share me presentation say. Pacho and come and come.
But the bar maybe some question.
I am for. You in two or for bedroom.
David.
You in two or for bedroom. By yam on your 40, you 2 or 4 bedroom.
Okay.
Me get a team will Methodist mission. Eti yesi nyansa mfiti ase
eni
nyame suro anka se eni nipa suro
etu suro nipa
obema bia bebo bra na obe ya ejina na dey yesi behind every successful man there is a woman ti masem ni yo
ni ti onkomo no
minim se me nana go so man hene yire me phone ye madum no me wi ameso me so na ofre me asem bia obeka bia me record we wi am do be court.
Why?
Time go so my hene na me kana asem.
Ade wa frɛ.
Me say me ne ohene ba ye interview ha. Go so my hene bodyguard na me di ni video am na picture am am na mun show no.
Boss mama o picture bi
ma me no frame me phone so masa. Ensuo boa ese ebo.
Odi wem.
Me kan bibia.
O my hene ye.
Me yire no. And na make us say behind every successful man there's a woman.
It is a we interview
that's man no him no friend me na.
No yewa.
She will meet her meter. I'm telling you.
And all man one.
Obi am friend me. Oba friend me no so oba friend. Sister, your friend is saying me sister ba ko na dan fo pa.
Ene maame
no. Sister me sero to maame no fo. No ntuni kro no fo ye. Se odi hina onni hine. Oye politics onye politics. Ni yehu. Anything. John Damani mama ba hafo no. Obehia ahemfo oba hafo a yewura say tuwo aman hene edumiensa 13 and wa hafo. And we share go so man hene gwa odem. Minia me refer ma menyansa no mako. Ma mencha na nakoko man hene. Na me man ya ko me gira me party mpanyifo nyina nam. Regional minister, regional chairman, panyifo nyina nam amane yakọ enene na otwe ena ne ho kani free ma me afie kuma ene onyane okone samanchire menim se nana man hene dia hye 17th of October ene bedi
na otweda
e besere bitaba we de me fa ko so invite mo me boy na man hene sure na me yire na otweda no your man and successful. Many if you are, me say, I'm on your 4, yen you 2 or 4. Oh, bedroom. Sure, my men can't be before you now say, a dear Nana go so my hene, and ye no tie keko, and young people no tie keko, but a yen is soup and in the bank. Now the thing I hear feel.
Why Mama ba half no. Osia go so man.
Osia hemfo. Original House of Chiefs.
Bompa ye man no.
Aye.
It don't be hypocrite.
What do you remember how? Me say. Nana go so man. E su ene ne ban. Enye public, enye politics in kwanti no isa. Inti MP before mudi a mon fan channel. Hwɛ ennyoma koso wɔ na hemfie ɔyɛ kan bi ɔhene Nebukadnezar ɔka ɔnkam obi nka bi go so man hene ɛne ne konti hene kontokwa saama oti otu konti hene no ma konti hene no firimu yayaya bi na yie papa patu so yare koda ba bi emfa ho ɔkɔ no na wate na hemfo ni nyina warning sɛ wa obesi yie na so betu na mpo woni obi wasem na se nipa na firimu a wasom go so man. Is that how to pay the person back? Go so my hene container no. Onim se ko sie na odanta no. Obi odi container go so.
Yes, you
consider me chrome dantano, I have go chrome dantano.
Okay.
I didn't hear. Oh, hina, ultimate chimanso because yen tuneful. Na if you be a better so be tuneful be a was out, madam, mabutu akuna, san of the tour. Na san of him so. I did take a year asante mem teacher in my and can obey all that more be share 242 nana wada roma onana hwe suku a woko hwe nyansa wo hwe tumi a wo onumpo obre ne ho asem ye tudifo me say santimara wada roma utumi unyansa onwumasu a wasu nyina achi obra wo ase em ye tufo
God's mind in truth.
Me say, go to God and ask why. At the end, God to continue your two no. A woman person a call. But ye chen and I say, okay, he who seek equity must come with clean hands. In Shamuna say no, or can't assume you want him. I will have me say, or ye one of the people or more assume you have. Ye chure di okukum Collins Zelda kan no ne nyoma ebetu tutu oho go so man ni bodyguard e frɛ 50 cents no ka ho bi ene omomodwa no ka ho bi what is go so man ne ka wanzam because MPP4 ene ye ko tutu bo wo mo meboa and the MPP was at the receiving end enti eno de emfa ne ho Collins Zelda na no ne te Pastoral Center ho no a wo ka say ade Collins Down the fee it will too many per we into God's mind is also pass on we are ka Collins Down that any wie asa no become be there
oh no problem
why no fa no
za
ai someone you say me anya man you say me
I saw a politician
I saw a politician asumdwe ma hafo no medical chiro ye de no free wa
eti yanhwe video nim la
we ya atrensu ade no
na obi a wo bi se kai
okay
yanhwe la
one da ono
yanhwe la
NDC enurati a
na mama o
na wo wi a wo go so man no be ka wo be sra so ndwe afiri obi ho mama was
there na
obi ne ko to ban heart hospital so maza
bo she sambo bi
edi mama to aso mama to aso na me petan pa de man de me mana kwa aba so be onu e be ya man yosem a ye amanyo se ni ye no mo say the dirty game
ya mama o picture me so waka abrante bi wan say 50 cents
fato so on fa picture de mi no nyina ngu so that number to tutu no abrante he was in the picture no se check kokko we are time all bodyguard go so man ni man ko dwa boss nyina e wo so na we are no be ka kire say obi na mfa so ndwemra 50 cents na dia na waka kire na e dia na waka kire no e dia na waka kire because your mama say ahimfuni be a hypocrite and he is the embodiment of hypocrisy okay kan na nim onyam so mpam ompamu ahoden wo ye na obonya medin nyankopon kra se obefum wa fa che no wa wo kontenine hwe ne ode ye no na hwe ne a wo mpanyimfo ane o ma ahimfie o ne wo ye o mo
50 cents
do so che kokko no
okay
oh yeah extreme omom hwe
na chief
o say white no
na chief adebaga say
50 cents no
na we
boss man in bodyguard no
na
omom ba tutu no bia only next picture no on fan to so a 50 cents na cheche kokko
one
say cheche kokko no ada no ba tutu no wono sa ada
na munya
picture ni na o hwe video no he sa baby abrante no hwe green gina e ho na nipa no video ade ni free you I don't know video at the video na bana na ebutu na yesi I don't know video fear 50 cents go so man bodyguard and that so no we are not be pass me afro bi ho mon fa picture ba ko no to so
ya pe picture na o he bi tuntuma o di chiri esi ni so we sinra na mo kunto pa na
manim
e NDC fo ana se
NDC fo
ana mo aho
no group mienu October 20 ebi mu frinkasem ne bi mu fri rom so
anom krase
no don mama nim he onipa da sani ni abono bongo de kon in the presence of don mama Now we are
50 cent
on the black no. Ojira go so man in sabonkum so no. Go so man bodyguard. Ono tiri be tutu.
Ono na cheche kokoro.
Ah, ono cheche kokoro no.
E di boss obetia mo wan na hwese ono a.
Na wo bete ni on fa so ndwe ma. Masa, me nsem doso, wo de ja picture na sem na me kama sem.
Kama sem ne enko.
Me say. Ye na go so man hene say. Electoral commission were tunufu. Hwe.
Also tunufu what them.
Hwe, masa. My men can't assembly playing fa. And what I'm saying, you know, my men can't just say, Nana, Adia Wuye, you are on your own. Go Sukuro, no, they are not a Omun Tawachi. And until 2016, who promises your mama 80%, no, Uye, 40% to crowd your mama where ya or go so. Because go so for Nya Uye, no, Omutiri. Now you will be my name can't you. Now your mama, who can't say with your mama, never send Kusu.
Because when you get that,
what disappoint you because of feel say eh nana goes my na bosum na MPP fu
na bosum
me na me catch you under your mama man futuro kum do so my na abosum president Akufo no ba homia na ye ko tare ma abosum na saba enti bosum a ono wadwane obi aye kwa ma na ba no one of support no
if father be
masa why not be support no me say he's alone. I'm telling you. Or promise your mama 80% and your mama nya say go so. Bisa 30% bra wanya. Huh? Attack on the issue. Hey, me say free SHS inti ye won kwala mutimi ekenkan etworo tiase. Na na say wontimi ntwon kenkan a pen kwala ni biom be ye ready amount. No ma kire mu.
Onyi say 2 hash.
On my cause ye man no. Huh? Enye 2 million didi o. Ye de mra. Ene di Ghana mine so. Okay? Ye de mra. Enju ntimi keka ka bo asem na nko baby. Eh? Was it register not true? My money for say on Vanco baby. Now coin regional capitals. Is that true? Easy as
no,
this is district base. Easy cross we a timetable omode
or a IPAC member.
That say.
So on your IPAC member.
Easy a timetable omode movement plan echo every electoral area.
Baby I hoye a year or move
no can anything. He doesn't even know. Na mama kan tell say ono register na na osisum wo mu no. Register na go so man na osisum wo mu no. Ye bi register no moto ho 1 week so obi anko he de wo kura wanko hwe.
Wanko.
Eju nim de wo mu. Empo na wo kan wasem no. You don't even know what is in the register.
Is it because of politics in no yes
me de minim. But ma kira kwan fa so ewuru no na himfie. What say J Mensa John Mama and 249 running meet na message J Mensa. Easy mami exercise wa in Ghana nyina wa perform extraordinary. J na no poku agema na de ko to J Mensa no. Ghana for man na kwanyade no be.
Chokra.
Eye ne penso no say mamu choko ne mamu choko china no. Eye ne penso na teacher and nursing training allowance go twem. We oyo bata papa. Anti J Mensa ngusia bi mfiri no. Hwe. We Maza, Nana say, or can send be a hot Naomi point. I hold your mammy bear 10 minutes. 10 Miss Ramo, 10
doors.
Okay, you the mammy 5. That's about my other man 5. The point is that I say, your mama, Emfa MPP for a US cantum. No one want that.
Mamma changing now.
Nana, you are here for what half one. Omo bo afore say the T school omo the T school no ama school no ho o kon kase mu a na na agye ni school no secondary school ho wate obo afore mo bi abebo ano o kom ya me na na krom ntotro so me na na ye ntotro so ye friends achame o achame o ntotro
achame he
yes na twireku afi bia dura obo afode so the buani crew or for the maybe and or the team nursing training.
I want to trust
about last year or 2 or for a so the secondary school and the correct you will try to second senior high school. I want to trust me chrome. I am very proud of such a king.
Are the goes one about for the one first Canadian.
Say, now saying one is a bar for the invite yen. na minister wo ho adano e to Dr. Bawumiama ba no first you know minister mo ho MC mo ho e ko ye donation ma no afore wo so de ye na hemfie ko go so ahemfie okore
na
se blog kura etwa bi gu ha
wa diska no
me de binim mumusa no me say asema make me busa no questions Monday mo man 2 hours no metena amfa me yiya no obeba
ohendis no
me so obeba
so ohendis
obeba da bi obeba say wo ya manwoni ento obeba me say ye wa hemfo a ombo afore agiska e de ye mpuntuo wa ba afore da bia beti ase betwani beti ase festival sika na wo gine de na wo de ye a ne wo baka ka kire aban mu panifo se omo ya kronfo se sika no bi no omo bre mu 300 million last year no a ene ye hu de wo de aye no nti se wo se ye ya kronfo a wo ye de ye mfa yentum sa da mu ho a na wo ka sa asem no na wo se Collins Dauda ti obi Collins Dauda na Ghana for man $200 million huh say on fancy by 5,000 yeah 200 million na sa e dan no 1,500 per yensi no ono te won chen e na wo do say chops na hwe me nsa na hwe so no e na ka na hwe me so wo tre won sa wo bi so a de aka na ba wo so do mama o se wari nam panama na de aka do pe ono na num na bayan wa bayan chicheye ama wo ene ukọ ye friend zen dechem a dechem school ayesi wo na MPP appointees no ye be mass up the youth they should listen to us you Aduchum Minister of Education ultimate time 6 unit classroom block the magos man ni say onsi wo ye contractor
waje contract
hey ni oye nyina ne se eni oma mienu ne wo
obi bi adi
do mama time no omo to ka be che no e na ban we ba yes da bi kwa no mbeje koi eno ho time back no two or say do mama we ni a okope council of state and that is why ene o share this t-shirt no e want to mem
but 2020
no baswa wadaroma una a member of council of state in a half Wakunyana is under attack by your own compatriots. Council of State in Tino Ezano. Council of State. Mammy from Manunsi. Maza, from Manunsi. Sir Ufi say, a buying appointee be a bonnet. Why be nya? Unimran mewa.
Fako court.
I didn't have a soy.
And go court.
Court to ho. Court to New Shraji or Shraji Yuko or. In Jubet Nat now. Now you can't seem here. You are exposing how ignorant you are. I'm telling you. You are exposing how ignorant you are. You don't have to wait for Obi to come power. Now your mama on my power net and my power china. Because one claim goes for no, you ain't to bet your mama.
That's it. Father B, for regional communication director, that I make Kabiana.
Near Mecca Kakrani say, oh my Ghana baby, I hear Kikakono. Mijidi say, election no eni kwan say ye mujasem eni kwan say ye ntokwa so what I say ye koto aba obi ade ni message na no your friend is saying Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne manifesto
takrade
walanchi wachirim o mampanyi dada mahama ono so walanchi ogusu chirim enti no momma oman ma no emfa omope ento aba no na minnuanu ma o ma ye o mo ho bodyguard ni macho ma o mo kra na o mo ho nya din o
amonya din o
twia o mo ma ye bodyguard ni macho no se wo ho ade ametu amefa ama obi ba wo ma na sase nya afu enu we beboa wo enu ebia ne se enrei obi ewu a kire nso yi meko aye wa kire nso about 3 weeks ago a kire nso ya Kofi Job na ye kwan no ofri tepe kwa o ma biem Omo bie kwan ma mo ye covered left and right. I move towards God so. Enti mi gidi said these are some of the things ye hear continuation. Na macho for na omo di omo ne nam no misra me macho na wo ma adwenim ani mi botom. Sort ya say
o jemi wa adwenim a no wa jemi wo
botom. Sort you will be more decent. They are nice people. Mimi share womo I talk to them as my junior brothers. Na ube macho ukodi obi echi. Me ka say kra no wo yire ne wo ma o ma setena mu ti sei what man say me ti hey me buy medicine e wo US e bi ye law e wo Canada salt as eno ne me macho a me ye no na saudi e wo macho se okodidi e kire na etuo wo he na enya pia bullet no enim macho onim srem enti mesrem nuanom se udi NDC achi a fa wadwene bo wo ho ban enya wadwene se wo kwa akofa ballot paper enya wadwene se wo de wo ye NDC niti wo di police ni kwa akokon it doesn't make sense ni awo kuma no kra bi kra onim wo he doesn't care about you enti obi ya enwene ne personal life ho ansa na politics no eye willing wo de wo kwa koto wa ba no se de sitie hwe free education ewo ba bia hwe akwanya omuyi ewo ba bia hwe machines a omo de ba ye no every district it went to aso a on sen kan ne wo Ghana Highway Authority say no highways no eni hobiem enti se ade ye omo de abayi enfidie every district bia Ghana ye to aso a ye ba ye ho a the next 10 years almost the whole country will be tiled. Akwanya enye biya no be ye. These are some of the policies I made born anado abaso. Because oko district bi wo ho a wo hwa akwanya kankan su oto a Land Cruiser wuti mu na wabo break na so that they oko different direction
the other way.
So it is so be this our project we aba initiative we aba. Best say inu anu NDC for at least mumien support Mahmoud Bawumia.
Right.
Na onfan toaso mayen. No de toaso a o man ye a ye ma Ghana fo nyina o. Enye ma mamprisi fo nko, enye ma frafra, enye manzema, enye ma ngona, enye ma asante, enye ma mfante, eye Ghana. I will see a toaso. Eni kwansi ye twenko e chiri because si enya ejato ho no ma ni obeba no afei na obeka se na change of contractors, change of way hwe barekesi fufu ufri eho ba
ise de okwa asunvie nko
oh omugusu omo ye hwe
eho kafe bi enso to akafa nipa
me co farms na me ba na nsu abra owabe efie krom te eho bra da ye nko nsu me friend nsu abra hwe manim say yo na me fi farms ba na nsu to mbedu obe 5:30 pm ni nsu na yiri ena nipa miensa ti moto so mu betwa e flashy homo ene uduru hono ma
prum
Bantima Asesubuachi he has done so much well every area bia omo ya kwan this is realistic so bebia omo ya kwan bebia every area omo ya kwan sani ma we no yesisa ban na ombe pause for a while change of leadership. It's for the sake of Mother Ghana. Yama Dr. Bawumia and Twaso.
I only say Ghana for to about the former President Hama. Obete be constitution home.
Well, it could be possible say be obefis or besis anasako one term. Additional term. Akawon. Nina emwa. Ono dear, I still respect him as a brother. After all, dear be na o Ghana. Oh. Nia esi kikako
or mine than akumasu
or ha ne party NDC because every leader be an obey leader groom people a ombeba they say only one more NDC why
haruna do so your friend be say regional balance sort I say and no na me dey bo MPP research officers abaso NDC I don't think they have the research officers no tio
Omanpenyi Mahama Nekoka or symbolic guy was there. Or see if you are a northerner and you are in MPP, you are just wasting your time. I have it. You are just wasting your time. And they have proved you wrong. And northerner who is a Muslim is leading MPP. And northerner and a Muslim. And he is from Mamprusi. Mamprusi from Somunyani de Dagombes. So any frafres and the Dagomes are the majority clan in the whole northern region. It is such a person, you know, seni ye mua kamunsu munyi free asante in leadership, in strategic, your friend BB counter strategy. Do they have? And once all my fire will be on the or say obana, no more kind of obana. This December election, no. Yeah, the support Mamba Umia. Near Moba Bani, you could
we win.
No, we win.
And Jofasco frame say NPP benya 53%. Na yetwabani we are. Remember if you mess one.
Why need Jofasco?
Oton hospital near ma afon kwanta. Or say atimkwa. So we be a man for be ye need sane mana. We be win 11 region. We be in the final say. Or catch them in and Friday. Yeah, 20th September say. Yentwabani we not ba umenya 53%. Maybe to Kabani if you have one.
Now it's possible, BBI is possible when you work towards it. So I say, this is the time they should work. We are coming on board to support. So
more campaign more by anything. Mobile follow my number for the other side.
Oh yeah, ni afe ni omo betranse areas ye de beboa. Ya sha say na me no ka say all over the country UFP communicators, me regional chairman, ashata baby omo ye nyuma. Hwe Obeka ya Omampenyi dada Professor Mills apenso. Northern region na 22 constituencies. Ono ye south now. Our central region na penso no. NDC enya 19 seats. And omuma MPP 3. Single 3. But Bawumia ye Omampenyi Mahama be leadi ye no. And then Northern region I 11 no. Just one seat MPP will lead Northern region against NDC John Mahama. Onwa mami krom da mango kran he lost. An MP owo ho ne friend no Abujinapo. So there is a possibility sir Islam no krabe sign a lead more.
And now I have for say Adentina have for sa constituency no matter about my MPP sa now montimi some sa but refin no say ko voter region say NPP na kanen no omunya single delegate but ne yeto omunya a double number ntino voter for hwe na omunya is ade na omoye.
This time so ni vote so better wa Ashanti region because they doesn't appreciate Ashantis. So I say they NDC has been ungrateful to Ashantis because say yes he who much is given much is expected. So say nanano mu say ye Asante ni running mate. Now I say NDC is not Asante my council by your vote to the ope.
And na show grandma all those support
no uti baby bia wo ko bia no so wo kuom wo adwumamu na senkrofoni tia wo tribe wo free mu a
waninye
e wo sa wo twon wo free ho e wo sa wo twon wo free ho wo de hwe broja jamfi o wen
wabodin o
because o ya Asantini ba kwakubu ahemu we
is Joseph Yaminum na edi ade
so te ase enti no edema ekoso no this is a wake up call a wake up call and na Ghana ha ne ampesa NDC for eti ase ne say bibia ni wa wo yi Asante free mu ebeye ye da they should work my ways bibia ni wo a wo yi Asante free and then some NDC nya Asante my council there afa ni ebeye adwuma no.
Right, the din na Jenim Boatin Jataba and the dona Efreno, or no, and a founder at the My United Front Party. He said, yeah, Omaba, Edom support, Abetai, NPP Amanyo Kono, a year Frankatuni, Dr. Haji Mahmoud Bamiachi, a bomb and pen another go for the Basso when you ma pa. Why, Razak?
Achimka,
at Zain,
Yamiadum,
come betum.
Maybe tomb na send them in names a minute. I can see Fosse and Ababisha. First of all, my regional communication director. Marachi ho asem say sebi onya platform say na woni mpanyfo bi say net so second one nana me offer me papa Jataba sebi Ghana the political party a contest wa political party over 10 years me bi o political party over Ghana or relevant e wo mayim over 10 years onye ni pakitu asebi yedini ediagro na and I'm saying, me age moment, Shanti, I consider na wuku de bia mi huno. So, tia ponkwa dia mehun so oba na obesum yura ti se ka santini asebia santini na chi hono no ti menije soronko se ne anapo emini na share platform so na de aye me nwo kese pa mama won say yes we still have integrity people within this country a declaration now here na no answer no Mama who said we still have people with integrity, people who doesn't joke with their basic principle. They act on their principle. Yanene dear, me who ni so any 3 days ago. Tina em ngo asem beton wana me nim se me beton wa. Ka me nim se me beton ka me di kan ba be prapra ema obeton because of the principles now ordained during the week. In some kind time I know declare the support of my NDC the previous election they almost the same thing no kind consistency see I'm so much but say yes you see at first me cast me sound a bit trouble kakra mu fan cheme yes no mpem PP asem because na Kufuor a candidate enye a flag bearer anti Samunti ya yate Ghana as a party moves. The
Kaaba Krambizano was and nice we had Marco for now NPP. You see, what
no one pet me mante me bazama. But yes, on pay MPP because now Kufuor candidate being TNT winning tea, you run the Jataba on pay a other trap as some on pay a friend is saying and ya chimfo and then your bonofo. Enye Kofu a omunyina na se fanti a omunyina follow within the Akan constituency
Northerner.
He's campaigning for a Northerner, a group of Ghana. They're only a small minority. Shows the kind of person that he is. You can just disagree with me, but so what do you know? Don't answer my making out, but Timase nipa na say oye on pen people for us and because of asante na enye flag bearer enye flag bearer and asante be flag bearer na then ene the Akan constituency na wo within Ghana no omo enya candidate omo konya candidate from the up north, a small minority Mampushi Chataba is supporting that person. They are very far and few in this country. They are very far and few in this country. Inti enya idea was say yedi omo edi agro. Menya anka meka no nsem sa.
Bia nka yesi asem yesi sirim de na esi ho.
Oh, nukre wo me
free education.
Free nukre wo me say me offer say call school friend Tamale girls. Now,
Meza ye wa do twumtie nkomo yi.
O ma chiro exam say we are also obafie. I say me ma afre me say akwa na dika 600 over 600 Ghana cedis.
Free education.
Free education. So the car over 600 Ghana cedis. Tamale say PT any other day. I'm say how? Inche no me office. Ono me office. Ena omo send me message. Omo frame me. Say me ban fees na ordino na omo we school or so free school more. I'm say fees be no odi. E ka ben na odi. O si ne PTA ne DND na I'm say massa. Da ben na PTA. Air force e be ka e warka no so. Na tunka chi. Omo so de ka PTA 242 Ghana cedis. Intervention.
Anede.
Or the car intervention 200 Ghana cedis. Or the car water bill 144 Ghana cedis.
Water bill.
Water bill. Oh yes, and you can just go through it. Or the car water.
That is school and going to water bill.
Or the car water bill 144 Ghana cedis. Or the car.
That was school bay.
Tamale girls. Or the car departmental fee 300 Ghana cedis. 30 cedis. And a James a voluntary no. ono no pen or the no hoko of James and so and so the cat
we can carry a pony coffee.
because I am no
I am not maybe 1 mile what tea and I said buffus.
I am no messy no.
Now since one school, your friend be like water bill.
And intervention.
Intervention for intervention.
And I do also know that. And tell me one thing, Mr. Chester, my friend say
research.
Kakra, maybe say questions, Kakra. Tell me, Fred, ya in your Ralph, or assistant headmaster. I
will OT.
And I'm a friend. I'm say now say out. As I'm mommy trying to run to school. So I'm say oh, I've me offer seen our home na the afternoon. No, say be. Na intervention no cry no more can cry. Aban tuya intervention na emo school bia per child 50 Ghana across the country. Wow. Per child tuya intervention na emo your friends
every school
student bia. And a PTA no so enye voluntary eno kra no o maye ni
and say about awofo nom na yichafo akwa hye mu nom say ya coming out with a fee. Etin yakwane so kwagire ni gita na uni parent ni
number. And no omoyi teachers in film the T aspect of it and a film. I parent association keke.
It about
yes.
The teachers almost segregate.
Yes.
Teachers are not part.
Yes. Your friend is saying voluntary. So you need to discuss it extensively and then you come up with all those a fee.
Na lebi na kwa na na
and aban so the announce so no this are what call aban ministry satisfy approve the fee that you want to take from
every child
because also we chere project our person we say sika no eye na aban calculate the number of no say feasible and this can help us job na so the minister say no fortunately metimi nya yewra opoku mensa
okay
e mo ka say me mfasa teacher ni number and fan send no. So he came in, me the ACD, but he came by. I think, na imagine me say, or say me can. Na man 40.
Schools in the bre, yes sir. No, sabotage ban no.
No the omode year free senior high school. That is the man. Who's the be a makan so that. Omayim politician na ebony. The easiest target is the politician.
But omo ye technocrat no
but yet mamufo boni a ye di ni wo mayim no e chen obi ade
civil servant
yet mamufo enanse hwe ene bayre ye ton bayre 900 cedis any patase a mekoto baye atoto ba ku 20 Ghana cedis patase
that I got to my repertoire to the
baby and nam.
I got to my repertoire to the Zawaka.
Let me call police depot.
Nana Mammy do you as I walk home. Mammy do you. But where a son of warning, education needs to take it up. So, no one will obey.
And yanti mammy phone. I know a friend say, and a politician. And a politician. But Timum 4 and ne. Every new year, friends, academic year biano. Price be private school see. Akoda work friends KG1. Auto book 700 Ghana cedis. KG1, then what? KG1.
Then a private school.
Auto books 700 Ghana.
Private school.
Private school. But Timamini two. Obi o KG1. Book by KG1. KG1 auto book 700 Ghana cedis because enya ban school nti anase enya ban nipa nti obia ye din obia ka hwe
bebe ya ban dia
bebe ya ebe politician dia yensi na boso
gataba 1 minute bi ni sorry ya pon ya aka 5 minutes
achimkwa me de ni amesre menuan you see o man ye nipa baako me sansre machufo na omudidi other people's achievements because I believe in the supremacy of rule of law. Me GD said this year election enye machu for na bebo ban ye armed forces ye police unit so ho ti se me ti baby na ye si ebi mu ye tutuafo a me bisa me hu se ada posifo ni ho ana yesi baby kra ho no mu a machofo bi police achi obi omutimi koje na me se what adinti na wo se ba ni sa eni kwa se ba ni sa na animal kingdom ni e wa na so ho enti every na ekro no Mijidi said there should be a deterrent. So ho chisenia eno NDC ni ya omakun obi ase aboni tu. Ya won second you know. E wo se e chi nipa ne atwi omaso. So ho ne amekire no obi antu ni bafo. Na me de Mijidi say Ghana ye nyina e nipa baako. Asante di president. Gonje di East Nedi na common procedure bone enya bone every man procedure adachi bi na TSC frafra na kusasi ana kasina na rotate because about Wester Hillary man enso ye den e wo ho ana se na ba Northern Dagomba etini amesre ni say ye nua mu kremufo MPPO NDCO Musori anopa na muti Allahu Akbar amonkase
Samira Fata Bahumia Nana ajeni Boate Jataba ena ateka fada
Menua
yempon
yeah ponti yeah call mama chia menua butiakwa o UK or
okay
ani menua ina onzo Germany yeah call no
all right
and then me ma nana man hina kwaba
tizo aba na kwaba
na onze ba bia na mdi wie no o say de o mama mechi
omo wieskan
onim se nana man hine nana wo ya djuma okoko board 15 years ni wo ya driver chere ya car ba kwa watwi ama aban nti bosumi bi akọja akatua anti obeka chere obi se obi nkọchi obi
onkwaduma
se base ya chi a wo na ese ya sha ase chi
onkwaduma
me se oya djuma okoko board 15 years ni on chere yen koko board car watwi edi aye adwuma anti a warranty a salary for a month bosumi be so akọje o oria na okọji na also be corrupt
right
last year also I think last year or two I cancel my scholarship secretary obagoso when I'm leading the choir in fear okubana o manana go so my hine scholarship back come 100 na chire yen kola o de ma o mo goso
paton
minim dem pacho minim mi so on chire en kola o de ma o mo goso na o wia me say na me de me saba akwa hwe so di aka no ehwe so
farabi
mo se no wa hafu no be yi a agi ye di no kure eni anidie eni buo eman ho so also ya wa mo nyosem akopel council of state bingo bado gina simpie so a kansem no se ni sitie hwan Ghana ha maza yes o chekron for class still until proving guilty beyond reasonable doubt. Why na Ghana ha wo na man hin wo hu ni say wako wies kan ti wo ka say do mama nche no si ka say chichira Yura Collins Deuda ono na ka chira do mama say omye nche no
Farabi for regional communication director Razak
yeah
yapon
asama ya ba ya mekan ya onim Alexandra Menu Asante Kodoko, Asante Regional Circus Chairman.
On send a message.
Also, Razak, same is happening at Nkawe Sectec. 2 of my children are completing today. The school authorities are telling me that my kids are owing the school 600 Ghana cedis each.
Yeah.
Being PTA dues. Now, say, yes, I'm sorry about you. So we 7 papers out. Okay, 700 Ghana cedis. So we 7 papers out. As I'm saying, much on credit you. So we 7 papers out. Okay, 700 Ghana cedis. The same intervention fee now buying a school. How much your friends and teachers? And no, and the school now decided to say, on beche cemetery achim kwa nchi mama nchia amakonadu
ajoso
Subin constituency women organizer
ajoso
me pese Father B kwa onfa amakonadu
Razak
bana oba
ada wahuna
I say no bana Father B abakuma say o say ehwe o say ehwe ni say obi ba ukruma say o say ohwe ni awo de say o jide
propaganda no
ye kono near Razak can be interested.
Madam Education Ministry.
The best Minister of Education. On in regional directors, the district directors, and Kasa. The way a nipa here, I shed the sabotage policy and yet. In a half minimum schools be more. Adrian, I'm got one. You did bad, you know what you got. No one said, oh. Abandon for the animal. You best say. I do you found nice for because PSHS is the key.
As if I'm a credit card. Many confiance are referring at Chim Kwana, Menu Bremo, at Chim Hemai, at Chim Jumpmany, Breto Benny, and I ye me, mammy, Juliana Coco, Ewa at Chim Hemai, and Mapoi, Menansi Kwansu ya Meko at Chim Hemai, or China Kwana, no Batman, Aya Brosco Nia. What is Madame Pem Elko Fuman Sassy? Sasso and Jennifer Quain, my man, so Madame Pem Elko tree, a year at dresses or I say Manacron Weller. And also Madame Pem Elhonum tea, I wish I ever chemu, Nayakodemo Mimidia, Medicain, El Achem Himai. I see baby girl, Ebega Cabinet, Bossa by my MCR. For Quonia so to Amoka, Sanson, a father, Eugene, and the precious name Priscilla, and a fate to pack.